Engine oil is like the lifeblood of your car. It keeps all the moving parts running smoothly. Over time, engine oil gets dirty and breaks down. This can cause friction and wear on your engine. Regular oil checks help you spot problems early. This helps you avoid costly repairs down the road. Checking your oil is a simple task that anyone can do. It only takes a few minutes to give your car the care it needs. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in extending the life of your vehicle. Before you begin, gather a few basic tools. You will need a clean rag or paper towel. This is important for wiping off the dipstick. You may also want a pair of gloves. Engine oil can be dirty, so gloves will keep your hands clean. That's it. With just these simple tools, you're ready to check your engine oil. The dipstick is usually located near the engine block. It's a long, thin metal rod with a brightly colored handle. The handle is often yellow or orange, making it easy to spot. If you have trouble finding the dipstick, consult your car's owner's manual. The manual will show you the exact location. With the engine off and the car parked on a level surface, locate the dipstick. Pull the dipstick all the way out. Wipe it clean with your rag or paper towel. Reinsert the dipstick completely. Then, pull it out again and hold it horizontally. The oil level should be between the two marks on the dipstick. If the oil level is below the lower mark, you need to add more oil. If the oil is very dark or gritty, it's time for an oil change. And that's it. You've successfully checked your engine oil.